In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import spreadsheet data into a bar chart in Canva. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. Start by opening your Canva design. You can use an existing project or a fresh canvas. Either way, make sure you're in the design where you want your chart to live. Next, head to the Elements tab on the left side. In the search bar, type bar chart, then drag the bar chart element onto your canvas. Resize or position it however you like. Click the chart to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the controls and options appear. Look up at the top toolbar and click Data. This switches you from Design Controls to the Data panel, which is where all the chart magic happens. On the left panel, click Import Data. This is the fastest way to populate your chart without typing everything manually. You'll be prompted to choose your source. You can upload a CSV file from your computer, import an Excel file with the XLSX extension, or connect to Google Sheets. If you pick Google Sheets, you may be prompted to sign in and grant access before you can select your file. Choose the source that matches your spreadsheet, then confirm the file you want to use. After your file loads, you'll map your columns to the chart's axes. Set the column that contains your categories or names as the labels, and set the numerical column as the values. Double-check that the values are numbers, not text, so the chart can calculate them correctly. If your spreadsheet includes more than one numeric column, you can map additional values to create grouped bars. Just make sure each value column corresponds to the right label column. When everything looks correct, click Apply. Canva will instantly fill your bar chart with the data you mapped. Take a quick look to confirm the numbers and labels match what you expect. If something seems off, revisit the mapping and apply again. From here, you can refine the look. Adjust the colors to match your brand or theme, choosing high contrast shades so the bars are easy to read. Tweak spacing to reduce crowding or to make groupings clearer. Edit labels for clarity, keeping names concise so they don't overlap. You can also format numerical labels to make large numbers more readable and align text so it stays tidy. And that's it. Your bar chart now reflects your spreadsheet data instantly. Don't forget to subscribe for more Canva tips.